Hi, this is Anu and you're watching Treasury Crafts. Hope everyone are staying safe in your home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a bike wall decor. I'm taking calendar as a base. I'm cutting it to the desired size using thermocol cutter. Peel off the upper layer using knife or sandpaper, and I'm going to paint it white. I'm out of white acrylic paint, so I'm coloring it only in the center, leaving the borders. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new videos. Do watch my video till end without skipping so that you will know all important steps. You can even cover the board with any chart papers instead of painting it. Cover the corners using masking tape or newspaper to get a good finishing. I got this tape from a medical shop. I'm going to paint the corners using dark blue acrylic color. This wall decor is made out of waste materials. Other than paints, everything is made of waste materials. Check the description box for all the materials I have used. For wheels, take two bangles and trace it on the cardboard. First, let's sketch the outline of the bike. Collect refills from unused pens and tip pencils. Start sketching. Draw the parts in order which I do. Use pencils. If you use sketch, it will not look nice when you stick parts to it. Outline is ready and now it's time to make parts. You will need use and throw plastic bottle for making parts. Use top portion to get semi 3D effect. To get exact measurements, measure using scale and draw it on the plastic bottles and cut it. For the parts above wheels, use bangles to trace it. All you need to do is measure, draw, cut and repeat it. For seat and wheel parts, I am using center portion. For wires and handles, I am using wires from spiral books, old spiral books. Extend and cut it for the connector. For this part, take a cardboard, peel off the upper layer, draw and cut it. For wheels, you will need beads and toothpicks. Cover all the parts with masking tape or tissue paper or newspaper, as they are plastics and you can't paint directly on it. It's ready and I'm going to cover all the parts with acrylic black color. Let's paint all the parts. I'm going to use mixture of silver, gold and copper metallic colors. For the pipes, I'm going to use silver color. For the wheels and seats, I'm using copper metallic color. For these two parts, I'm going to use mixture of light blue color and copper metallic color to get a metal effect. For the remaining parts, I'm using metallic silver. You can even use normal acrylic colors for it. Now let's assemble. I'm using super glue to stick. You can use glue gun or you can use Fevicol, but it takes long time. Assemble in the order which I do. For wheels, take toothpicks cut into smaller pieces and color it using black sketch. Thought of making it as a showpiece, but it takes long time. So to make it simple, I have done it as a wall decor. I don't like a frame idea, so I'm going to cover the corners with quilling strips. Or you can use color papers, cut it into thinner strips and cover it. I'm just randomly sticking the color papers around the corners. Let it dry. For hanging, I'm using hairpin, or you can use paper clips to hang it. Stick it at the back side, cut a piece of cloth and stick on the clip. And the wall decor is ready. If you like this video, please hit like button, share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.